How long do dental implants last? Let's find out. Hi there, I'm Dr. Schneider, here at Secure Dentures and Implants in Springfield. Today, we're tackling a very popular question that many of you may have asked. How long do dental implants last? If you're considering getting implants, already have them, stick around because we've got some valuable insights just for you. First, let's quickly refresh our memories what dental implants are. Imagine small titanium posts acting like artificial roots securely anchored into your jawbone. They provide solid foundation for the replacement of single teeth, multiple teeth, even all your teeth. But the big question is, how long can I expect them to last? Well, the answer to that question isn't a one-all-fits-all, so let's break it down. On average, dental implants can last from 10 to 30 years, and some lucky individuals can enjoy them for a lifetime. Can you believe that? Studies show about 95% of dental implants remain successful after 10 years. But remember, individual factors play a huge role in their longevity. Now let's discuss what influences how long dental implants can last. Here are the key players. Oral hygiene. Just like your natural teeth, implants have to be loved and cared for. You have to make sure you brush, floss, visit your dentist regularly to keep those implants happy and healthy. Next, bone health. The health of your jawbone is crucial. If it's weak or has deterioration, it can affect how your implants are staying in your mouth. Sometimes we might even have to perform bone grafts, tissue grafts to keep the implants successful. Next, lifestyle choices. Your habits matter. Smoking, excessive drinking, and having a poor diet can shorten the lifespan of implants. If you're considering implants, think about making some positive lifestyle changes. Professional care, regular follow-ups are essential to keep these implants healthy. Your dentist will help monitor your implants, surrounding tissues, and catch any issues before they escalate. Now, let's get real about recognizing potential problems with dental implants, pain or discomfort. If you feel a persistent pain around implants, it could signal an infection or other complication. Don't ignore it. Loosening. If your implant feels loose, that's a red flag. Contact your dentist immediately. Gum inflammation, swelling, redness, bleeding around the implants need attention. Early intervention is key. So in a nutshell, dental implants are durable, long-lasting solutions for missing teeth with the potential to last decades. Here are some quick maintenance tips to keep in mind to keep your implants at peak operational efficiency. Brush and floss daily. Make it a habit. Use antibacterial mouthwash to keep the bacteria at bay. Schedule regular checkups to catch issues early. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol use to a minimum. All these will protect your implants. By following these steps, you can enjoy a healthy, beautiful smile for years to come. Thanks for joining me today to explore the lifespan of dental implants. If you have questions, personal experiences, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more dental insights and tips. And if you're interested in replacing missing or failing teeth with implants, be sure to contact us at Secure Dentures and Implants here in Springfield. Take care and keep smiling.